day trade setups for today. So onwards and upwards, we are continuing to the upside, although we all feel it's a little bit extended. I suppose we must not let those emotions get involved with us at the moment and just trade what we see. Now, we do have a fairly strong level coming up, and this is around 3,160. Right now, we're kind of like just hovering in this area of resistance here. There's no real clear area of resistance. So, yeah, nothing much we can say about that. Another solid day that was put in yesterday. If we get to the 3 hour, it didn't really offer me any opportunities to get in. In fact, yesterday was a fairly slow day. But I'm looking at a big area of resistance to get in on a trade. So at the moment, that is not transpiring, and you can see we'll get down the lower time frames, and you'll see there were one or two opportunities to get in, but it was a bit of a grind up. Nevertheless, it did go up. But yeah, so we've just had a red 3 hour pin bar here. The trend is still up. No reason to get out of this at the moment, and we are breaking. Not really. So that's just the top of the channel there, and there's the bottom there. Okay, so it is starting to form what looks like a bit of a wedge, but anyway, let's not chase shorts. There's no reason to chase shorts. We're looking for longs. Okay, what can we look for here? So we have this area here of 3160, which is the next area of resistance. So what we're looking for is an area of a pullback onto a level. This is a logical one right here, 3,100, and it's a round number. So I would be interested in getting long at that area with a stop below this range. Now, yesterday, this was the opportunity. Okay, so you could see we were ranging above the moving average here, range, and then broke out. Didn't really come back and test it, but then you can see we slowly ground up, bit of a flag up. We've now got a double top in play, and that double top does give us a move right onto this area of 3,100. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the only play that I have at the moment. Just going to fix those two lines on my chart. Delete that. So I'd want to see a pullback back into this area of 3,100. Stop is going to be below 3087. Okay, so if you can get in over there, you've got a stop down there. That's 148 point stop loss. And what you'd be looking for, oops, that wasn't very clever, was it? Let's just get that level in. Get that one. And then that area there. Okay, let's go back to that. Right, so we're looking for pullback back onto structure, and then we're looking to target the previous highs here at 3136, and then ultimately moving up to 3154. Okay, so those are the areas that I'm looking to watch. Trend is up, no reason to be looking for anything else except longs right now. Okay, so that double top does bring us down onto 3,100, and that would be a pretty good area. If we can hold 3,100, then obviously we are going to look for the next levels up, and more than likely round numbers as well. So 3,200 would be a level to watch out for as well. Okay, just bear in mind there is data coming out today, so just be cautious this afternoon, just before the US Open. Let the dust settle before you start trading, unless you're in with the trade already. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.